Welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be how to install a floppy drive, a 3.5-inch floppy drive. Now, you're maybe asking, Walker, why are you making a tutorial on how to install a floppy drive on a computer? Well, I'm a big fan of floppy disks, and if any old computer tech nerds maybe want to make a computer like this one. Now, yeah, first off, going to install it properly. So, yeah, you can see the floppy drive bay over here. This floppy drive bay, you can see it. If you remove it, then you can just slide in your floppy drive like so. Like so. And boom! It fits. It's perfectly aligned. Now let's go and plug in the cable. Plug in the cable. The 30-pin cable. Okay. Oh, here. Ta-da! It's here. Now you may be asking, Locker, where do I put this darn thing? Well, right here. I'm gonna put it right here on this bay. In this bay, rewind 10 seconds if you don't know. So yeah, on to the other case, which is a Windows XP one. So yeah, got to remove this boy, and be right in a jiffy. And here it is, the Windows XP computer. Now, Walker, why is it Windows XP? Well, it's here. It says right here, Windows XP. And barely I can see it because it's designed for Windows XP. And it's designed to i-Core 2. So yeah. And this is for a CD-ROM drive and a DVD CD, or a 5-inch drive. If anyone has still have that, sorry for my English. So yeah, here it is. The whole. I'm not going to be disassembling it because it's very hard to place it back in my experience. So yeah. So if you can see the hole, which is right there, you can just slide it in. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Slide in, and then boom, it's here. The floppy drive. So yeah, oh my God. Always I hit that. So